In this daily drop, episode 200, it's the channel's first contest giveaway, so let's go. Okay, here we are, episode 200, and you know if I'm wearing this shirt, it means it's a milestone episode, and it definitely is episode 200. Started this thing back in August of 2023, cranking out 5 episodes every single week. The weekly live stream on Wednesdays, and first and foremost, thank you. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're not, please subscribe. Thank you for your engagement, both with me and other viewers. Thank you for coming to the weekly live streams and creating community. It all means so much to me, and the fact that I can share what I'm learning or that I know, and it's helping you with your productions means everything. All right, so here we go. My relationship with B&H Photo Video, who I'm an affiliate with, and obviously the links that I post to them are affiliate links. No extra cost to you, but help support the channel. Well, that relationship is expanding, and they are working with me now so that I can have landing pages for the types of products that I like to use and I suggest in production. And they are being very generous and allowing me to do a contest or a giveaway once a month, every month. It's a big deal. It means that I can choose specific products and then run little contests and giveaways and have those sent out to you. There is one caveat which I can't change, and hopefully it will change in the future. These giveaways and these contests are specifically to people who live in the United States, which does include Hawaii and Alaska. But unfortunately, when you're overseas or you're down in South America or Africa or somewhere else, it's not included. And again, I can't change that. I hope it changes in the future. But let's get down to business and talk about what the contest is, how long it's going for, and what the prize is. And away we go. All right. Today's episode, posting on Friday, May 24th. This is a fast contest, so if you want to get in on this one, you got to move quickly. As I had held up in the beginning of the episode, this is the prize. This is the giveaway. It is the Luxley Cello 2, so the second version of this. I have done an episode on this light. I like it very much. It's an extremely bright and powerful panel light. At 100%, you can definitely use this in a controlled environment, bounced off of something or through something as a key light. It has all the bells and whistles, 2800 to 10,000 Kelvin for correlated color temperature. So there's a huge range there in terms of that light. Switch it over to hue, saturation, and intensity, and you've got all of those colors there. Switch it over to gels, and you've got gels for days in terms of what you can do. And then, of course, you have your standard lighting effects. And so you can set those up to be different things, of course, and react at different rates. And they're not things that we're using all of the time, but they definitely come into play. And you have all your normal cast of characters like lightning and stuff like that. But for most of us, it's going to be the correlated color temperature, and I'll just get that kind of around where my color is dialed in right now. All right, so this is the light. The way it's going to get sent to the winner is going to be the Cello 2, along with this right here, which is the magnetic diffuser, which is very, very handy to have to soften it up and to get rid of those multiple shadows. And then this piece of kit right here is also going to come with it, which is the barn doors. So this will come separately. This whole kit is somewhere around $400+ US. And if you want to win this thing, it's pretty simple, but the contest goes quickly. May 24th today that this is posted. May 31st, I'm picking a winner. So you have any time from today through basically end of day May 30th, which is a Thursday, to submit one photograph that is black and white that is taken between Friday, May 24th and Thursday, May 30th. All right, so get those cameras out. I don't care if you're using an iPhone, an Android device, you're using a mirrorless camera, a DSLR, whatever it is. It's a black and white photograph that inspired you, or you were inspired to take with a little bit of story. You're going to send that in to challenge@thec47.com. Photographs have to get to me by no later than end of day Thursday, May 30th. On Friday, May 31st, I will personally pick the winner. Make sure you have some contact information in there so I can reach out to you. And then B&H will send out the Luxley Cello 2 with the diffuser and also the barn doors. I'm excited about this. I get to do this every single month, which means it means great stuff for the channel. I may announce the challenge or giveaway during the monthly Cameron Flask. I may do it on the weekly live stream. I may also do it in an episode of the Daily Drop. So all exciting stuff. Again, don't forget to get your submissions in. One black and white photograph that you take between now, May 24th, 2024, and May 30th, 2024. You submit that to challenge@thec47.com. Don't forget to. And I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.